Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how to change photo format on iPhone. If you didn't know, the default camera setting on your iPhone creates image files with the Heic extension. This is an image format for iPhone, so sometimes it's really hard to open on Windows or older Android devices. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to adjust the settings so your iPhone takes photos in JPEG format by default. First, go to your iPhone settings. Next, scroll down and find Camera. Scroll down further and you'll see a setting called Formats. Tap on that. Under the Camera Capture section, you can see it's currently set to High Efficiency. This setting creates photos with that Heic extension. To switch the default photo capture to JPEG files, just select the option Most Compatible. Now, the photos you take will be in JPEG format. Just keep in mind that with this setting, JPEG photos will have a larger file size, which means they'll use up more storage. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.